Today we're starting our next new project. We just did our bathroom makeover and sacrificed a really small closet in our bedroom. We don't have a large bedroom, so utilizing space and making the best of every square foot you have is really imperative. And so we're going to build today a floor-to-ceiling wardrobe to replace that closet that we took out. This is gonna be amazing and it's gonna really function well in our small bedroom. Here's how. So one of the challenges of having such a small room is that we are really limited on the space and how deep we can actually make the closet. So we're making the best of it, but we do have a window on the one end where the closet's going to go. So we remove the frame, giving us a little bit of extra space in the depth of the closet. So right now I'm squaring everything up and I'm just gonna use some painter's tape along our hardwood floor just to make a few marks. That way I'm not ruining our hardwood underneath. And then we're gonna get everything squared up so we can start building the frame for this closet. All of my drywalling is done, and before I head to bed for the night, I want to make sure all of my drywall compound is on. That way it can dry while I sleep and get back to work tomorrow. Let's get ready to roll. We're ready to get some paint on this, and I'm using my favorite paint. It's by Beauty Tone. It's their designer series High Hide White. This paint will go over everything and it's designed to do a one coat job. So I'm using the trim and door because I'm doing a closet, and then I'm going to use the same paint that's an actual wall paint on the actual side walls and do a complete makeover on this bedroom using the same white. I have 4 large doors to make, so let's get cutting. Fourth door built, now we paint. I'm so excited with the way that these cabinets turned out. Being able to take away that closet that we had in our bedroom space and give that square footage to our bathroom meant that we needed to make a storage area in our bedroom. This was the perfect solution. We now have more storage than we had ever had in this room, and I was really worried that building something this large would take away from the square footage in our bedroom and make it feel smaller. This elevated our bedroom. It has made our room feel so much bigger. We now have ample storage, and I think it adds that custom design element that this room really needed to stand out. It is now bright, fresh, and airy, and the paint that we use, the Beauty Tone High Hide White, covered my dark wall seamlessly, almost completely one coat. It was just a gorgeous paint to use. I hope that you enjoyed this project. I want to thank Home Hardware for sponsoring this project and making this possible for our bedroom. It is now dreamy in here.